To another Wise Maths and Science video. Metal rods are made from steel with density of 8 grams per centimeters cubed. Each metal rod has a volume of 1,500 centimeters cubed. The maximum mass of metal rods that can be put on a trolley is 300 kilograms. Work out the greatest number of metal rods that can be put on the trolley. Now, what I'm going to do first and foremost, we need to have a look first and foremost at this particular formula. Density equals mass over volume. We need to work out the mass of one of these metal rods. So let's have a quick look. So let's write down the mass. Let's go rod. And we're trying to work out its mass. This is equal to the density multiplied by the volume. According to this, so mass equals density multiplied by volume. So what we're going to be doing, we know that density is equal to 8 grams per centimeter cubed. So let's write that down, per centimeter cubed. And we're multiplying this by the volume, which is 1,500 centimeters cubed. Now what we're going to do over here, we're going to notice that these two units over here, the centimeters cubed, this, when you times it through, the numerator and the denominator, they cancel each other out. So what you're going to be left with is that once you multiply by through, 8 multiplied by 15, which will give you 120, and add on 2 zeros. Of course, you're more than welcome to use a calculator if you wish to, and that should give you 12,000 grams. Now, what I want to do, I want to actually convert it into kilograms. So I'm going to divide this one by 1,000. If I divide this by 1,000, what will happen? You will end up getting 12,000 divided by 1,000. You'll end up, this is the equivalent of the mass of one rod. So the mass of one rod is equal to, let's write it down, is equal to 12 kilograms. Now it says the trolley can carry 300 kilograms. So therefore what we need to be doing, we need to be asking ourselves this question: if the total is 300 kilograms, and each rod weighs 12 kilograms, what we need to do, we need to divide through. Let's divide through by 12. And then let's see if we can work it out. How many 12s go into 30? Well, it goes 2 times with a remainder. Let me change the colour of pen so it makes it a little bit more clear over here. So it goes in 2 times. Let's put that over there. 2 times 12 is 24. 30 take away 24 is 6. And then there you get 60. 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 12, which will give us 5. And therefore, it says work out the greatest number of metal rods that can be put on the trolley, and it's going to be 25 rods. And this is going to be our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've benefited. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.